Right, it's the Death Ninja here. Today I'll be looking at the galaxy from Kaboom.com. 4 people saw this video. I hope you liked it, and I read your guys' comments if you do guys have comments. And the galaxy is pretty much sick. After tomorrow, we're going to be kabooming them up. That's a good way to say them. And galaxy. So let's wrap this baby up. I'm just joking, guys. I'm not going to do that. I can't. My dad won't allow me. But wait, let me go ask my dad out. JK, I'm not going to ask my dad. But I'm joking. I have to ask my dad. So I'll be back. Wait, don't exit. If you don't like it, just see my other ways. So I'll be back. I'm back, guys, and my dad said no. But we can just look from here. So the food dog and the Just Hot, and they show us. So they got the Fortress, the mini display show for black. That was some serious weird cricket. I was getting scared. Alright, so I was back, and so we got the mini display show 4-pack and show starter, the Piccolo Pet Up 4-pack, the Duster Buster 4-pack, the Fod Dog, I think that's how you spell it, the Cracking Lasers, the Fortress, Just Hot, TNT Flashers. And they even got with these, so I'll read it to you. So let me just zoom in. Alright. Read the warning or caution label carefully and follow all restrictions. Fireworks out of children keep. Fireworks out of children reach. Children should not handle and light fireworks. Adult supervision at must. Never place any part of your body over the firework. When it's lighted, eye protected should be worn when lighting fires. Always light one firework at a time. All other fireworks should be kept at a safe distance to protect accidental light. Always use fireworks outdoors and wait, it's just blurry. What's that? Come on. Use fireworks outdoors and away from buildings, plants, dry grass, and combustible materials. I have no idea what that means. Always. Oh. Always. Have water handy, but all use fireworks. Fireworks in a bucket of water. If a firework fails to work after lighting, wait 15 to 20 minutes and then put it in a bucket of water. Never try to relight a firework. It fails to Never put fireworks in your pockets, because they know if by accidentally somebody will try to do a prank and it will light up. It looks like a diamond. What are you talking about? It's a diamond. But explode. Bullets be everywhere. And original packing until you are ready to see them. Never do this, guys. Never point or throw a firework at another person or animal. Never hold a firework in the hand. So you can go to kaboom.com, find these out, and I think they have, and the name right here is an F? Galaxy, the Galaxy. So just write it down. So just write it down at the search, and then you can buy it. Fireworks. So, and I hope you guys like this video. Hope you hit 50 likes today, and I hope you guys have a great summer and school, and school is done. Finally, tomorrow my friends will be here, and then we'll upload this video for the other packs. Okay. Hope you guys subscribe to my channel and leave a like and go on my friend's I don't know his name. Whatever. So let's I'm joking. I'm not doing that. Stay there. Stay. How does this hand work? Bye guys, I'm just going to have some trouble holding this, so hope you guys like this video. If you don't, please just don't give me a hate. Just go to another video. Just come on. Okay, hope you guys bye. Bye.